This is a user's guide to the EcoStar 3 mobile app, Part 1. This video will discuss downloading the app, connecting to the vehicle, and main dashboard features. For a configuration tutorial, see Part 2. Downloading the app. From your device, go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and search for EcoStar 3. Download the app to your device. When you first open the app, it will ask you to allow access to Bluetooth. Touch OK, as this is necessary for the app to function properly. Connecting to the vehicle. To connect to your vehicle, on the main dashboard at the top right of the screen, touch the three dots, or menu, and select Connect. Scan for the vehicle's EcoStar 3 module, which uses the VIN as its identification. Select your vehicle and you will see the VIN displayed at the top left corner of the main dashboard. Main dashboard features. The Start-Stop button on the main dashboard allows you to turn the vehicle on or off directly from the app. This can be used when working outside the vehicle for equipment use or other functions. The icons along the bottom of the main dashboard indicate the triggers for stopping and starting the engine. The icons left to right represent engine idle timer, primary battery, auxiliary battery, service brake, thermostat, and inputs. The icons are grayed out when the functions are not in use. When an icon turns black, it means that a setting related to that trigger is preventing EcoStar 3 from automatically stopping the engine. The vehicle will continue to run until the configured conditions are met. For example, if the engine idle timer icon is displayed, it means the timer is counting down and will not shut the engine off until it gets to 0. If the battery icon is displayed, it means the battery voltage is too low yet to stop idling. Continue with Part 2 for a guide to configuration. For more information, contact tech support at 800-969-6080 or go online at www.intermotive.net. Thanks for watching.